Hi guys, it's me Kareem Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you all doing well. Today our topic how to install Facebook Messenger on desktop. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. In this video, I gonna tell you that how do you install Facebook Messenger on your desktop. So let's get started. So first of all, you go on the search bar and here you search Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. So when you open Microsoft Store, on the upper side you see the search box. In search box, you search Messenger. Here you search Messenger. So when you search Messenger, here you see the Messenger app. So you download it. As you see here, guys, that my Messenger app has been started download. So we just waited for few minutes. It will take time like 4 to 5 minutes. So we just waited. So guys, as you see here that my Messenger has been downloading, and after when Messenger has been downloaded, it will take time. So I simply close it, and if my Messenger will be download, I simply log in with my email, and I simply contact with my Facebook friends and other people on my Messenger easily. So guys, this is a very easy method to download Messenger in your on your desktop. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. And if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel for Big Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye.